Understanding how to morally and strategically create a solid SEO campaign is like knowing another skill. Talking to search engines through links, title, tags, and quality content is a part of the conversation. More importantly, knowing the 5 worst SEO practices is necessary to your site's success. You think you are the one who is following these practices, you can stop worrying now. When black hat SEOs try to deceive search crawlers into ranking their websites higher than they deserve, it's straightforward for the search engines to tell they are dealing with a fake. Search engines like Google can easily pick out less than stellar SEO strategies and can punish the site. I know you would never use such an unfair practice. You might want to make sure you are not using any of the bad SEO practices in the list. First, generated content. One black hat tactic has a robot or a computer program to write content for your site. You have come across text spit out from a content generator at some point in your research. A text that makes zero sense but contains essential keywords or phrases. This is a bad SEO practice meant to save time and get results, but the costs significantly outweigh any potential gains. First thing, everyone can quickly tell you are spamming. Secondly, you will be penalized if not wholly de-indexed, and then you won't have much of a website at all. If you want to do well on the search engine optimization, you have to be authentic and get used to the idea of devoting time to your domain's content. Links from poor websites. You know Google looks at more than just a link pointing back to your website. Search crawlers can also look at the text and links on the page surrounding your link. Hence, if most of your links are filled with spam and unnecessary content, your site has a good chance of getting penalized even if your content is acceptable. Just like your family, Google doesn't want you hanging out in bad neighborhoods. Third, stuffing your meta keywords. Just like putting links in comments, this tactic is dead. I still don't understand why people still try to do it because they don't see the results. Just like keyword stuffing, this tactic hasn't worked for years. Fourth, duplicating your content. It doesn't matter even though you have written the world's best blog and you still can't use the same content on your 10 different pages of your site. Some people think that as long as they own the content, Google won't care if the same paragraph shows up various times on their site. But Google does care. If you're not creating new and novel content for each site page, the search engines will not trust you. Fifth, duplicating others' content. The only thing worse than duplicating your content is duplicating someone else's content. One of the worst things you can do in terms of SEO for your site. Google sees the duplication of off-site content as plagiarism. Remember to create new content consistently and write it well. If you find this video insightful, then you must check out the similar blog on 9 worst SEO advice that you might be following now on PaperVideo.com. You can find the link in the description below. If you liked watching this video, please make sure to subscribe, like and share with your friends, family and colleagues. Leave a comment if you enjoyed the video and what topic you would like to see the video on. Thank you so much for watching.